Good morning. So this week's news is that I did finally email the the manufacturers in Turkey and ask them about a date for whether they, when they're going to get their threads through for my socks, and because they'd ordered the colours for my socks, and they haven't received them and they're still waiting. So, which means that I'm still waiting, and they said they're trying their best, and what more can I ask for? So that was a bit of a Debbie Downer, to be honest. But then I did send some samples to Turkey, who I do really love and I really want to work with. One of the main reasons I decided to put the order in with Turkey is because all the colours that I picked out, all the Pantone colours and everything, they would order in. So that was simple. My choice was easy. Whereas in India, the reason why I didn't go with them originally was because I basically have to colour match my socks to what threads they have, which is hard, and I guess I was worried that it wouldn't look the way I want it to look, like the designs and the colors and everything. So but that being said, I do really want to work with them. So also one of the other reasons is because the tag wasn't good enough quality, whereas I've sent them off tags now with the quality that I'm looking for. So I'm hoping that I'll get a better sample from them back with them. And I also sent them all different types of bed socks that I would quite like to make, like different samples. So they're going to send them off to the manufacturers and see if they can do those for me, or any of them, or one of them, or whichever really, because yeah, it would really be good to manufacture with India as well. But India did, they sent me an email to say, would I like to put through an order? They are currently in complete lockdown until the end of May because of the COVID situation, which is horrendous. And the problem is that because I don't know when my samples are coming in, I don't know when the thread's going to arrive in Turkey, I don't know when the sample's going to arrive, and then whenever that ever happens, then it's 8 weeks from then for them to manufacture the socks and then to send them to me. I mean, it's getting pushed out and pushed out. Meanwhile, I need socks to put in my Feel Better Box care packages, so which is really the original why I was manufacturing my socks to begin with. So now I'm like, do I pick out my simplest design and ask India to manufacture them with I'll try and colour match the most simplest design with the colours that they have, and then at least something might come through. I have no idea which one would come through, but I just need some socks, just some socks. So I hedge my bets, but then I might end up with like millions of socks, which is not ideal, but it's just a problem. I just don't know what to do. There must be an easier way. Anyway, that's the situation at the moment. I'm going to mull over my manufacturing issues all day, I'm sure. And yeah, that's where I am at the moment. It sucks. Will I ever have socks? This year, in fact. Anyway, sad news, bad news, but what can I do? There's nothing I can do. Until next time.